everybody, it's Dan the Ceramic Man. We're out here in Houston and we're in a shop today. We had to do a little polishing and then do a ceramic coating on this vehicle. As you can see, it's not quite put together yet, but it turned out great. This one got the 9-year plus graphene 10H hardness ceramic coating on it. Just got it painted about a month ago. This thing is absolutely beautiful now.
Summer is over in a flash and you're on your way. But some part of me is hoping for tonight. It's not too late. My mind says yes, you've been here for quite some time. But my heart tells me you should stay a little while.
Look at that. Whoa! Yeah, baby. All right. Yeah! Do love my job, guys. Oh, look at that. All right, ladies and gentlemen. I'm just going to turn it off from here and go on about my way. Y'all be safe out there and may the good Lord be with you.